Hi, friends. This is a kids and family friendly yoga flow that's all focused on winter time and specifically playing out in the snow. So, we're going to go ahead and get started by just coming into a comfortable seat. Take a deep breath in and out. Take your fingertips and now start to tap on your face and imagine that it's little snowflakes falling down. You can move your fingers all over your head, over your face, maybe even your shoulders, your chest, anywhere on your body. Just imagine like you're outside and the snow is gently falling all around you. This is a nice way just to start to feel some energy moving around your body and feel the sensation of your fingertips on your body tapping. Great way to calm and regulate. All right, well, it's still snowing, but now there's so much snow that we can go out and make a snowman. So let's start by making some snowballs. So can you curl up into a ball just like this and start to rock and roll forward and backward? We're going to make our snowball a little bigger each time. So rock and roll and make your snowball, make it as big as you can. And then eventually you can come all the way up to stand. And let's build our snowman. So spread your feet wide apart. Take your hands, bring them way down low. Let's make a big ball here. Get a little stretch as you make some circles. We're making our bottom ball. So we need 3 balls for our snowman. Let's go the other way. All right, roll your ball up, make it nice and big. All right, I think we're good. So come all the way up to stand. Bend your legs. You can turn your toes out. Here we go. We're going to sink down. We got our first ball here on the bottom. Let's make our second big snowball. So now you can make the round movement a little bit higher up with your arms. We're making our second ball. So right around your torso, all the way from your waist up to your shoulders, and then go the other way. Get your snowball. All right, I think we're good. Can you make your snowball here? We got to make our top snowball. This one's going to be right above our head. So take your arms, bring them right up over your head. Let's do that one more time. Bring them down low and bring them up over your head. Let's do that one more time with a breath. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. All right, here's our snowman. How does it look? Are your legs getting tired yet? Mine are getting a little tired here. All right. Well, let's leave our snowman. So let's keep going. Bring your feet together. Walk your feet out a little bit here. All right, let's start to decorate. I love to decorate when it's snowing outside. So let's decorate our tree outside. Can you lift one of your legs and put your foot right on the inside of your standing leg? Now you can put it down low or up high, anywhere, not against your knee. Then you can grow your branches. Here's our tree. How are you going to decorate your tree? Can you tell a friend or tell your grown up? What color are your lights? Are you going to put some ornaments on it? You can make your tree look however you want. All right, let's go decorate another tree. So lower your arms, lower your legs, and let's do that on the other side. So lift the other leg up, place your foot on the inside of your leg. All right, then you can grow your branches. And now try to focus on one point that's not moving right in front of you. And if you fall, you can come right back in. We're just doing some yoga, meant to be fun. All right, so now, again, how are you going to decorate your tree? This one doesn't have to look the same as the other. All right, take one more big breath in and out. Lower your arms, lower your legs. All right, I'm going to go play in the snow. Let's go skiing. Can you bring your feet together and sit down like you're in a chair? I'm going to turn this way so you can see me. And we're going to go skiing. So bring your arms right out in front of you and then bring them from side to side like you're skiing. Side to side. All right, I guess you can tell I don't really ski. I don't think you would be going side to side. You have 2 poles. So let's do it now with the 2 poles. Take your 2 poles and bring them forward and back. You can do whichever movement feels better. All right, can you bring your arms up and down? All right, well, here comes a snowboarder. Why don't we try out our skills at snowboarding? Can you bring one leg out, one leg back? Bend into your front leg and bring your arms out. All right, balance here. Really press through your feet. Let's see, can you sink a little lower? Maybe lower and lift a little bit. Let's switch sides. Here we go. Bend into the other leg. Bring your arms out wide. Snowboarder pose. All right. I think I'm ready to leave the slopes here. Can you bring your feet back together? And let's go sledding. I think that might be fun. So let's go down all the way down our hill. Can you slowly lower all the way down so you're sitting on your sled and lift your feet up? Here we go. Take a big breath in and say, wee. Let's do that again. Big breath in. Wee. One more time. Take a big deep breath in. Wee. Oh man, that was so much fun. I'm so tired now. Let's slowly lower all the way down. Let's make some snow angels. You can bring your arms up overhead, bring your legs out wide, and we're going to spread our arms back and forth and our legs back and forth. Just imagine you're making some snow angels here in the snow. And then eventually you can start to just find stillness. You can keep your arms overhead or bring them by your sides. And just take a few deep breaths. Imagine what it would feel like to be laying in the snow right now. How would the snow feel against your body? How would the air feel on your skin? Take a big breath in. What would you smell? What sounds might you hear? Keep your eyes closed if they're closed and just imagine what you might see all around you. Bright white snow, maybe the sunshine reflecting off the snow. And then slowly start to wiggle your fingertips and your toes. Open your eyes and come all the way back up to sit. I like to end my time outside when it's cold with a hot drink. So let's pretend we're going inside, getting all cozy now. Grab your hot drink. Maybe you have some hot chocolate, or maybe you have some apple cider, whatever you want. Pretend you're holding it in your hands. Now take a nice deep breath in. We got to cool it down. Open your mouth and just very gently blow. Do that again. Take a big breath in. Gently with control blow. One more time. Big breath in and blow. Awesome, you did it. All right, well, I hope you had fun today. Maybe try some of these poses out in the snow. That would be fun. Do a little snow on your own. Hopefully you found this to be a nice playful way just to connect with your body and connect with one another. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this and check out some of our other videos. Thanks, I'll see you next time.